In a world of fast fashion and mass produced plastic, there is something truly magical about a garment that starts with a single thread and heartbeat. Are you looking for the one of a kind piece that makes a baby shower crowd gasp, or maybe a heirloom quality dress for your little one first photo shoot that you will want to keep in your cater chest for decades? Today I am taking you on a journey through our everlasting collection of handcrafted crochet frocks. We aren't just looking at clothes, we are looking at wearable art. Stay with me until the end because I will be sharing a specific behind the scene look at how this design come to life. First up, let's talk about the vintage elegance line. These designs are heavily inspired by the Victorian lace but updated for modern comfort. Notice the intricate shell stitches on the bodice and the way the skirt flare, perfect for christening or first birthday. Use 100% premium Egyptian cotton for these. Why? Because newborn skin is delicate and synthetic fiber just don't breathe the way natural cotton does. These aren't just outfits, these are memories in making. If you are browsing your Etsy shop, these are the pieces that consistently receive 5-star reviews for surpassing expectation in person. Moving into something a bit more whimsical, the Boho Blossom series. This is for the free-spirited parent who loves earthy tones and organic textures. We have integrated wooden buttons and 3D floral appliques that literally pop off the fabric. These frocks features an adjustable grow with me tie-back designs. We know babies grow in the blink of an eye, so we digest these into the fit of ones longer than your standard store-bought dresses. Whether it's backyard picnic or a professional sunset photography, these earthy shades look stunning against every skin tone and every backdrop. One question we get asked a lot on Shopify is, can I customize the colors? The answer is resounding yes, because every piece is made to order. You can match your nursery theme or your wedding color perfectly. Every stitch is placed with intention. When you buy from an independent artist, you are spotting hours of focused labor. There are no machines where just a hook, a pair of hands, or a lot of love. We double check every seam to ensure they are baby proof, meaning no loose thread for tiny fingers to get caught in, and buttons that stay exactly where they belong. Styling these is the best part. Pair of our frocks with simple cotton bloomers or thick knitted tights for the winters. And don't let the handmade label scare you. Our cotton blends are surprisingly durable. A gentle hand wash and laying them flat to dry